Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to connect WhatsApp to your desktop. So open your Chrome browser and type web.whatsapp, or you can also type whatsapp.web. Click on the first link and you will be directed to WhatsApp web. You have to wait for the website to load. Now scroll down and now you will see the QR code. As you can see that the QR code has been loaded. So now go on your mobile and open your WhatsApp. Now click on the three lines and click on link devices. Now you have to click on link devices and you have to scan the QR code on your desktop, and after a while all your chats will be displayed on your desktop, and you can easily use your WhatsApp on your desktop with the help of web 2. So as you can see that all the chats has been loaded. So you can also follow the same steps, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.